Welcome to Finpod, your daily financial digest. I am Evan, and I'm glad you are joining me today. Finpod is brought to you by Fintwit.ai, your go-to platform for real-time trading signals and stock recommendations. Let us get right into the action. The biggest story on social media right now is the major reshuffle of the NASDAQ 100. Several companies, including RKLB, NBIS Group, Astera Labs, and CRWV, are being added to the index. This is a huge deal because it forces institutional index tracking funds to buy these shares, which is why we are seeing such significant price moves. RKLB is up over 3% in pre-market trading, further fueled by the excitement surrounding the space sector. NBIS Group and Astera Labs are also seeing strong gains of over 4% and 3%, respectively, as investors pile into AI infrastructure plays. CRWV is also moving higher on the news, though it is trading more conservatively. On the flip side, ADBE is down over 8%. The company is facing a tough transition, dealing with the departure of its CFO and a strategic pivot toward a freemium AI model that is putting pressure on short-term revenue expectations, leading to several analyst downgrades. Looking at the broader market, futures are pointing higher as investors digest the latest news. A major catalyst today is the historic IPO of SPCX. The company is finally hitting the public markets, and the sheer scale of this debut is driving a lot of the positive sentiment across the tech and aerospace sectors. We are also seeing a tailwind from a decline in oil prices, which is easing some of those nagging energy inflation concerns. Keep an eye on producer price data as well, as those prints are coming in a bit hotter than expected, which is keeping the conversation around Federal Reserve policy very much alive. In the AI economy, the focus remains firmly on the infrastructure layer. With the NASDAQ 100 additions we just talked about, it is clear that the market is rewarding companies that provide the nuts and bolts of the AI revolution: chips, connectivity, and data centers. We are seeing continued interest in the major players like NVIDIA and AMD, especially after Citigroup upgraded AMD today with a significantly higher price target. The private AI space is also watching the SpaceX debut closely as a benchmark for their own potential public offerings. Moving to stocks in focus beyond the index movers, keep an eye on chip makers and space-related stocks as the market reacts to the SpaceX listing and the broader rotation into AI infrastructure. Finally, on the earnings front, we have Freedom Holding Corp reporting today. They have already shared some impressive fiscal year results recently, showing net income more than doubling, so investors will be looking to see if they can maintain that momentum in their latest update. That is a wrap for today. We covered the NASDAQ 100 shakeup, the historic SpaceX IPO, and the ongoing AI infrastructure frenzy. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment if there is a specific stock or topic you want us to cover next. And remember, for stock recommendations, visit Fintwit.ai